Hi everyone, so here we are, another update video, and this particular update is a bit of a it's a good and a not so good update. So the good update is, as you can see, my bike is inside, so that's a really positive thing to have happened. So I've cleared up a bit of space in my tiny little garage, and it's now out of the elements. So it has been under a bike cover, and now she is going to progress a little bit more smoothly because every day I will be walking past it. So that's a good thing. Not so good thing. There has been no further progress on this bike since the last update. So yeah, not so good. Another good thing that I can update you on is, if you look at the bike at the moment, I've made some decisions. Some fairly firm decisions with the design, and what I'm going to do is I'm keeping this back part like this. So I'm going to make this nice and neat, well, neater, but yeah, so this part here is going to stay just like that. And the reason for that, I don't really want to play too much with this back part. The lights are good, the indicators are there. I'm not going to hack at the frame. I'm just going to leave it as is. So that's a firm decision. Decision number two, these exhausts, they sound pretty cool because they're kind of fairly open. So I'm going to replace those with the original pipes that are on my spares bike. So that's another decision that has been made. And what else? Okay, so I have actually bought a couple of items now. So I've been umming and ahhing about what to do with the front, and I've finally decided, and I just bit the bullet. So this is a cheap build. There's no ifs or buts about it. It's going to be budget. So what I've got coming is this round headlight just for here, with some brackets that will fit onto the forks. I think they were like 25 bucks or something, so we'll see what they look like. And I've got a digital, I've decided I'm going to go with a digital gauge, and it's going to sit right here. See these two little bars down here? I can put a bracket. It's got a bolt hole through there, through those. So I'm going to make a bracket, and then it'll go in there. So that'll be good. I feel it's going to work nice. The headlight bracket has a couple of holes in it, as you can see, and the indicator will just come out from there. All right, and all the wiring is already here, all good. So it shouldn't be a real problem to mount those. Okay, this part here will come from my spares bike. This here is, I bent it back a little bit, but it's still kind of dodgy. It's like, I really like how the factory ones look. So I'm probably end up biting a bullet and eventually getting the proper one to go in here. The engine, yeah, so right, you can see a bit of paint's come off. So I'm going to sand that back, and all of it is going to be painted a lovely shiny gloss black engine enamel. So I can't wait to see what that's going to look like. Now here's the main issue that I have, and that is still to replace this arm. So I contacted this guy the other day. I think I'm not certain, but I'm fairly certain, I suppose, that I can replace these with the newer Ninja 250 resets. So I'm looking at replacing all of that with something a bit newer, and I think even the Ninja 300s have the same one. So but yeah, I'm going to look for one that's for 250. So it's going to be a nice little replacement. Oi, guineas, what are you doing? They're being a bit noisy. Anyway, so yeah, quite a few decisions have been made. So you might be doing a project like this, and if it stalls for a week or two, don't stress. It's okay. Everything's fine. These things happen. You can't be working on it the whole time, and I suppose you'll always know that it's sitting there. You can always come back to it, and motivation levels change up and down as well. So some days you might be really keen to work on it, and then other times maybe not so much. So one of the main things though is, bringing the bike inside. That's been a really sort of a big step, I think, because now it's inside. I mean, I've got night times to work on it. So I'm thinking we're going to have a fair bit of progress coming up, and I can do a lot more updates. And so if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up for a like, share my video if you want. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to share more and more about the GPX250 and what it needs to be brought back to life. Bye.